Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Y'all, I am so excited. I'm doing my very first collab with Mama's Touch, y'all. She is such a sweet and wonderful lady, y'all, and she can definitely cook. So go over to her channel and check out her delicious recipes. And yes, what makes this really exciting is that we don't know what each other is cooking. What we do know is our main ingredient is beef. Well, Mama's Touch today is finally here, and I'm so excited. Let's get to cooking.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking a Mexican cornbread casserole, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I have some onion and bell pepper, taco seasoning mix, shredded cheddar cheese, cornbread mix, whole kernel corn, diced petite tomato. In this little bowl, I have some onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin. And I also have some ground beef. Here I'm chopping up my bell peppers and onions. Here I'm adding my ground beef to my skillet. I'm adding my chopped onions and my chopped bell peppers. And we're going to mix these into our ground beef. Here I'm preparing my cornbread mix. Just follow the instructions on the box. I prefer to use the Jiffy cornbread mix, but I didn't have any on hand on that day. And so I'm using just a regular cornbread mix. If you like it with a sort of sweet taste, you can always add a tablespoon of sugar. That's if you prefer. Here I am continuing to saute my meat and vegetables together until you no longer see any pink in your meat. Now is the time to drain your meat, and then we're going to go on to the next step. Here I'm adding my diced tomatoes. I did not drain them, and I'm also adding my corn. I did drain my can of corn. I'm going to mix this together. Here I'm adding my taco seasoning. Here I'm adding my water. Here I'm also adding more seasoning. I'm adding black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin. This is to make our casserole more flavorful. To spice things up, if you like the spicy taste, you can also use cayenne pepper or some red pepper flakes. Yes, and another thing, I wouldn't recommend that y'all use any salt because the taco seasoning has plenty salt in it. So just make sure you taste it to see if that's the way you would want it in your casserole, okay? Another thing I wanted to add, if you like black beans, you can add black beans to this recipe. If you love pinto beans and you got a can of pinto beans, add them to this recipe. Make this recipe yours. Now is the time to taste your casserole to make sure it has enough seasoning in it. I'm gonna let this simmer for another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna put our cornbread casserole together. Okay, I'm doing the final taste to make sure everything is like I want it. And so now I'm gonna put my cornbread casserole together. Now I'm spreading my cornbread batter on top, and then I'm gonna spread it around evenly. If you do not have a cast iron skillet, you can always use a casserole dish. I'm going to place this in a 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to remove it, add my cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to put it back in the oven for 5 extra minutes. And then I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, here's my final result. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. And y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get my new and upcoming videos. So y'all, I can't wait to go over there and see what Mama's Touch had prepared for us. I am so excited. Y'all go along with me, okay? Subscribe to her channel and show her lots of love. All right, y'all. As always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit.